All right, folks, we've got a bit of a mystery on our hands. An old car stranded on the side of the road, and two ladies in need of some assistance. But let's stay focused on the real question here. What car is this? Now, let's analyze. First up, the Plymouth Special Deluxe, 1946 to 1950. Smooth, rounded fenders, a lot of chrome, and that distinctive grille design, a real post-war classic. Could this be our mystery car? The grille doesn't quite match. What about the Chevrolet Fleetline, 1941 to 1952? A real beauty, known for its fastback design and sweeping lines, a true gangster's getaway car. But does it fit? Okay, maybe the Ford Deluxe, 1946 to 1948. Similar curves, a strong presence, and a front end that screams late 40s elegance. Could be the one. It's a tough call. Plymouth has the curves, Chevy has the lines, and Ford, well, Ford has that unmistakable stance. If only we had a better look at the car. Wait, I hope this video isn't distracting anyone from the real investigation here. Stay focused. So, which one is it? Plymouth, Chevy, or Ford? Let us know in the comments before we get too, distracted. One thing's for sure, classic cars break down in the most cinematic ways possible. See you next time.